Hello, dear students. In class 9, subject physics, your first chapter is going on, and that is motion. Dear students, we have discussed some of the topics in this chapter that were motion, distance traveled, what is displacement, what is speed, average speed, what is uniform motion and non-uniform motion, and then we have talked about the uniform speed or constant speed. So we were doing some of the questions regarding speed. Okay, so it is on your page, on your book, page number 7. There we were solving some of the problems. So the problem was sample problem 1. Okay, a scooterist covers a distance of 3 kilometers in 5 minutes. Calculate his speed in. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको कह रहा है कि एक स्कूटरिस्ट है जो कि स्कूटर चला रहा है, एक आदमी, वो 3 किलोमीटर की डिस्टेंस को कवर करता है इन 5 मिनट्स. ओके, तो कह रहा है कि उसकी स्पीड को आप कैलकुलेट कीजिए. किसमें? ए कह रहा है सेंटीमीटर्स पर सेकंड. ठीक है, इसको हम आज करेंगे. बी वाला हमने परसों कर लिया था, मीटर्स पर सेकंड. ठीक है, एंड थर्ड इज किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. ओके, so we have done the part B of this question, and today we are going to solve the part A of this question. Okay, so we will move on to the part A. So dear students, the question is that a scooterist covers a distance of 3 kilometers in 5 minutes. Okay, so we have to calculate this speed in centimeters per second. Okay, so in this question what we have to do, we have to convert the distance 3 kilometers into centimeters. Okay, and we also have to convert this 5 minutes into seconds. Okay, so here is the distance traveled equal to 3 kilometers, and we will convert this 3 kilometers in centimeters. So we know that there are 1000 meters in 1 kilometer, so there will be 3 multiplied by 1000 meters in 3 kilometers. Okay, and in the next line it is saying that because we know in 1 meter there are 100 centimeter, so in 1000 meters, in this 1000 meters there will be multiplied by 100 centimeters. Okay, so we will multiply 3 from 1000 meters and then this 1000 meter again from 100 centimeters. Okay, then we will get the answer 3 lakh centimeters. Okay, so we have converted this 3 kilometer in centimeters, that is 3 lakh centimeters. Okay, now we have to convert the 5 minutes into seconds. So time taken equal to 5 minutes equal to 5 multiplied by 60 seconds, because we know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay, so in 5 minutes there will be 5 multiplied by 60 seconds equal to 300 seconds. So we get the time taken, that is 300 seconds. Okay, now we will calculate the speed. Okay, we got the distance traveled in centimeters and we have got the time taken in seconds. Okay, now we will apply the formula speed equal to distance traveled upon time taken. Okay, so the distance traveled was 3 lakh centimeters, this one was the, okay, upon time taken, that is 300 seconds. 300 seconds, so we will divide 3 lakh centimeter by 300 seconds. Okay, so we will get the answer 1000 centimeters per second. When we will calculate this, okay, when we will solve this, then we will get 1000 centimeters per second. Okay, it means that we get the answer that the scooterist speed in centimeters per second is 1000 centimeters per second, है ना. यानी कि वो स्कूटरिस्ट जो है 1 सेकेंड में 1000 सेंटीमीटर्स कवर करता है. ओके, and this is the part B of this question, and that is convert this speed in meters per second. Okay, so in the last class I have discussed this problem. Okay, now we will move on to the part C, that is kilometers per hour. Okay, so we have to convert this speed in kilometers per hour. Okay, so here we see that the distance given to us is in kilometers, that is 3 kilometers, and here the unit of distance is also the same, that is kilometers. Okay, so it will remain the same. Okay, but now what we have to do, we have to convert this 5 minutes in hour. Okay, so on page number 8, on the next page, the solution of this problem is given. Okay, so we will move to the next page, number 8. So on page number 8, in part C, we have to find the speed in kilometers per hour. So the distance traveled is 3 kilometers and the time taken is 5 minutes, and we have to convert this 5 minutes into hours. Okay, so it will be 5 upon 60 hours. I will give you the explanation how this 5 minutes it's get converted into hours, and that is 5 upon 60 hours. So the explanation is, so here is the explanation. Time taken equal to 5 minutes and it is coming 5 upon 60 hours. So how it comes? The explanation is, because we know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. Okay, so in 1 minute, there will be 1 upon 60 hours. We will put this 60 here, cross multiply it here. So it will be 1 minute equal to 1 upon 60 hours, and 5 minutes will be 5 upon 60 hours. Okay, so this is how this 5 upon 60 hours is coming. Now if we divide 5 from 60, then we will get 0.083 hours. Okay, so we get the time in hours, that is time taken equal to 0.083 hours. Okay, now we will get the speed. The speed is distance traveled upon time taken. The distance traveled is 3 kilometer. Okay, 3 kilometer upon time taken equal to 0.083 hours. Okay, this one. And when we divide this 3 kilometer by 0.083 hours, we will get the answer 36 kilometers per hour. Okay, so thus the speed of the scooterist is 36 kilometers per hour. Okay, so dear students, we have solved all the 3 parts of this problem. Okay, now we will move further. Okay, now there is figure 13. You can watch this figure. Okay, so what does is this figure shows? It says that this road sign shows the speed limit of 40 kilometers per hour in a particular area of a city. यानी कि ये जो 40 इसमें लिखा हुआ है, इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप किसी सिटी के किसी एरिया में जा रहे हैं, किसी सिटी के अंदर हैं, तो आपकी जो स्पीड है दैट शुड नॉट एक्सीड फ्रॉम 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. यानी कि जो आपकी स्पीड होगी वो 40 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर के से कम होगी. ओके, नेक्स्ट इट इज सेइंग दैट ऑल ऑफ अस शुड ड्राइव व्हीकल्स विद इन द स्पेसिफाइड स्पीड लिमिट. और हम सबको चाहिए कि हम इसी स्पीड के अंतर्गत या इसी स्पीड से कम स्पीड पे हम किसी सिटी के अंदर ड्राइव करें. दिस विल कीप अस एज वेल एज अदर रोड यूजर्स सेफ. तो इससे क्या होगा, सबको फ़ायदा होगा, जो रोड पे चल रहा है या जो ड्राइव कर रहा है, जो राइड कर रहा है, किसी को भी जो ट्रैवल कर रहा है उनको दिक्कत का सामना नहीं करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फिगर 14 एंड इट इज सेइंग दैट this photograph shows a traffic police officer using the speed gun or radar gun to determine a running car's speed. You can watch this image and you can see that there is a policeman and he is using some instrument, and this instrument is called speed gun or radar gun, and by this speed gun the police officer is determining this car's speed. Okay, तो यानी कि इस स्पीड गन से जो ये पुलिसमैन है, इसको इस कार की स्पीड का पता चल रहा है कि ये कार किस स्पीड से आ रही है. ठीक है, द ओवर स्पीडिंग ड्राइवर्स आर फाइंड हैवीली. और जिनकी स्पीड ज़्यादा होती है तो उन पे जो पुलिस है वो फाइन करती है, ताकि जो स्पीड है वो लिमिट में रहे. ठीक है, तो हम सबको चाहिए कि हम ओवर स्पीड ना करें, यानी कि ज़्यादा तेज़ स्पीड से हमको कार ड्राइव या बाइक राइड नहीं करनी है. ओके, so dear students, I will end up the topic here, and in the next class we will discuss the sample problem 2. Okay, So you watch this video and understand this video, and if you have any query then you can ask me. Okay, thank you.